Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another how to create upcycled puppets or how to make a crocodile puppet the hard way. So here he is, a crocodile puppet. I have tried to get him to work. I think, maybe not. These are old batteries, so let me see if I can get these old batteries out, which I just did. We'll put in some fresher batteries. I don't know if these are completely fresh, but we're going to give them a shot and see if we can get this little guy to work one more time. There we go. Okay. There we go. Let's go with the 1, 2, a 2. How many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop? Oop, there he goes. Squeeze a mouth. Do I squeeze a leg? Oh, right here.
Fish flies, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah, rubbed up, just
you see it?
In the sun, thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub, I put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And then a fish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going on? It was fishing and a splashing.
Splishing and splashing. Moving and grooving. Rocking and a rolling. Hey, that's pretty cool. As he rolls off the table. Stay. Stay. So there he is. Hey, that's pretty cool. I paid $2 for him. But he's got a really cool little mouth there and a spinning tail. That's pretty cool. Hopefully he'll shut off. It's okay. There we go. Let's do that again. There we go. Get the batteries out of there. Okay, there he is. Now we got to figure out how to take him apart. This is the fun part. Okay, so it's made by Kids of America. The Kids of America. Whoa. Kids of America Corporation 2008. All right, so what do? We got to dismantle this tail for one thing. I don't know that he does some sort of thing there. So this looks like a job for diagonal pliers. Hang on. It's another zip tie. There we go. Did I get it? Oh, let's try it again. Yeah, I got it all right. Pull that zip tie out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, man, this is starting to hurt my fingers. Okay, come on. I'm trying to grab the bag too. Well, it's in the groove. I did separate it. Maybe I need to get my pliers and give it a little help. Come on. Should make it a little easier if I am able to remove it, but I guess maybe it doesn't matter. Okay. So that goes there. Let's see what we can do. Does that come off? Okay, that comes out there. Okay. Oh, hey, that's pretty cool. Now, the tail. That's a different question. And there's something up here, too. Did that break off? Maybe it did. Maybe it didn't. Maybe it's a separate entity. Okay, let's do that in a second. Let's figure this tail out. The tail has another zip tie on this side. There we go. There's one. And then a zip tie over here, I believe. Let's get to that one. There it is. Guessing that's what it is. Getting to be a habit. Yeah. There it is. Okay, good, good, good. So I got that module out. Ooh, and it's got these little guys too. Of course, they're glued. It makes it a little more difficult. No, there's one. And there's two. Okay, so that module is done. That's the flippy deal. And that's on its own is kind of cool. But there's more. But wait, there's more. Because inside the head is another motor apparatus. And I'm guessing, as it usually is, the mouth mechanism is sewn to the deal, to the jaws of life. And so that I don't damage the jaws, I'm going to try and peel back. That might be one of the stitches there. I'm going to give that a shot and see what happens. Yeah, I think it is. Okay. So a little green string in there that kind of stands out a little bit. I don't want to mess up the mouth if I can help it. You know how that goes. Okay, so is that one? Ooh, a tail. Come on. Okay, maybe I've got to remove some of this. No, that material's in there. This is going to be a difficult one. It doesn't want to separate. Wow, this is tough. I don't know, gang. This one looks a little difficult. Oh, I see something out of the ordinary. There's one. Come on. Is it glued on? It might be glued on as well. There we go. It's glued and some pink thread. There we go. Okay, okay. All right, it's working. I heard a snap though. I don't like hearing snaps. I don't like hearing snaps. It's not good when you're trying to retrieve plastic. Okay, that's glued on there. Nope. Okay. That popped right off. And there's the umbilical for one of them. There is a switch in there. Okay, let's get that out. Might as well. This one I think is going to be a good one, guys. This is going to be a good one. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's easy. There. And there. And there, so they all work now. Okay, so that's easy. So the orange and the orange go together. And the double white and the double white go together. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Did I pop them out? Oh, I popped them out. Okay, that's okay. So, but here we go. This is the new, improved Crocodile puppet. Let's see if we can get him going here. Actually, let's do... Okay. Got him to work. Look at that. I've got a mouth. And if I was really talented, I could get the arms working as well. Might get one arm working. See, I could do that. And there we go. And that's a crocodile, all right. It's a crocodile puppet. Hi, I'm a crocodile puppet. Look at me. So we did it, guys. Hey, thanks for coming along. For those of you who've been with us before, for those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. And this is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye.